In this video, you're going to learn how to download FlyMSG, a text expander and writing assistant extension inside of Google Chrome and Microsoft's Edge. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And if you're on YouTube, check the alert notification button here. This is the onboarding page right here. And this is the page that you will land on. And now it says, welcome. First, let's grab the extension. All right, awesome. We're going to download to Chrome. So this is the only direction. I cannot move forward. I cannot move backwards. I cannot close this window. You must follow the instructions. So I'm going to go to Chrome right now, and I'm going to add to Chrome right here. I'm going to click Add Extension. Very simple. Once I click Add Extension, bada bing, bada boom, it's showing I'm signed in. And now I will click on this puzzle piece, just like the instructions say right here. I will click on the puzzle piece. Click on the puzzle piece and click on the pin mark right there. And now FlyMSG will show up in my browser right there in purple. Okay,